All right, let's get ready for this warm up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll your hip to the right. To the left. 6, 7. To the right again. 2, 3. 6. Let's add some arms down your body. And 1. And 1. 6. All right, we go. Step and pull. Step and pull. Step. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Body roll, roll. 2, 3. Really move those shoulders. Let's add some hands. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Step and out. And speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so we're gonna learn this in 4 different sections. Let's get started with section 1. So we're gonna step out with our right foot and roll that hip 2 for 2 counts. Then we step over to the left. 3, 4. Let's add some arms. We go. Pull those arms back. 1, 2. And then we cross them over our body. 3, 4. And I want you to add your own flair to this, okay? So we have 1, 2, cross it, 3, 4. Now we're gonna step out to our right. That same move, 5, pull 6, 7, 8. And all you do is fan yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we repeat that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that with the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Fan. Repeat. And 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2. And fan yourself. All right, let's keep going. Second section. We're about to get this heart pumping. So what we have 2 different options for this first step. First option, we're gonna jump. Our arms are pumping here. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other option, if you cannot jump, totally fine. I just want you to go. Step out, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's keep going. After we just finished 1, 2, 3, 4, or you did your step out, step touch for your knees. We have step right. We're gonna throw it away and push, all right? So we're bouncing. This is our groove. This is our groove. 1, 2, throw, throw, throw. Then we move forward. Out, clap, to the back. 6, 7, 8, and we repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But when we repeat, we go to the back first. Out, slap, to the front, to the front. If you are enjoying this groove today, please tap the like button below to let me know. Now let's get back to it. Section 3, let's go. You got this. We step and cross over our right with our left foot. So we step, we touch out with our right foot. We cross in front, we tap. Let's add some arms. We go step, when we touch, put that right arm across the chest, keep it here, and left. And then we go arms, hands come down the body, and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna put your right arm right hand, you're gonna put your right hand behind your head, left hand on your hip. We go down, up, down. If you cannot jump, please step out, in, and then we're going to turn to our right and we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we repeat that entire section to the left. We step, cross, touch, shake it, down, to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the music. You have made it to the final section. Let's go. We step back on our right foot. Left, right, left. And you see how my shoulders are going forward? It'll make sense very shortly. First thing, let's add some arms. We have on our first step back, down that body again. 1, 2, and then when you step on that right again, 3, point up, 4, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna whip our neck and our hair, or if you ain't got no hair, that's all good too. It goes 1, right, left, and then we're gonna body roll to the left. We're doing a full body circle around, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Fan yourself, fan yourself, fan yourself. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Point 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're finishing it up. You're gonna go walk, 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 okay, walk, walk, okay. And improvise there, all right? Add your personal style. Let's do that with the music. Yeah, you did it. Now let's do sections A, B, C, and D all together from the top. I'm gonna coach you through it. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, hip roll 3, 4, 2, fan yourself, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, slap that knee, clap, to the front, to the back, 6, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, clap, to the back, to the front, let's touch, 2, ooh, push, push, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, to the left. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fan yourself. Roll. Yep. 5, 6. Let's tap. Yeah. All right, so we have our final push. I want you to do it full out. Give it all you got. We got this. Get yourself in the groove. Yeah. You can't take the heat. should be so proud of yourself for getting up today, doing the little grooving, reconnecting with your body, learning some choreo, okay? So thank you for grooving with me today, and I will see you next time on Technically Moving with me, Elyse Vonne. Peace.